Can you imagine going all the way to another country just to touch a phone that hasn't even launched yet? Believe it or not, that's exactly what some Apple fans are doing right now. In China, a few local shops are already offering a hands-on feel of what could be the next big thing from Apple, the iPhone 17. No, a phone hasn't officially been revealed yet. What they're showing are 3D printed dummy units made from leaked CAD files. These models are giving people an early look at the design, size, and shape of the upcoming iPhone series. What makes this even more interesting is how accurate these models might be. The CAD files used to make them come from sources that have a good track record when it comes to Apple leaks. For months now, rumors have been pointing to some big design changes, and these dummy units match those leaks almost perfectly. Some stores in China are even putting these plastic models in colorful protective cases to give people a more realistic feel what the real phones will look like once they're launched. But it's not just about a new design this time. Apple is also shaking up its lineup in a way we haven't seen in years. One of the most talked about changes is the introduction of a new model called the iPhone 17 Air. This version is thinner and more stylish, aimed at users who care a lot about how light and sleek their phone feels in the hand. It's expected to take the place of the iPhone Plus, a model that never really became as popular as Apple hoped. A few years ago, Apple tried to win over compact phone lovers with the iPhone mini. That didn't take off either and was later replaced by the Plus model. Now, the company seems to be trying something in the middle, still a big screen, but in a much slimmer body. If the iPhone 17 Air becomes a hit, it might become a regular part of Apple's lineup in the future. And Apple isn't the only one working on slimmer phones. Samsung is reportedly working on its own version called the Galaxy S25 Edge, expected later this year. Just like the iPhone 17 Air, Samsung's upcoming model will likely target users who want a stylish, slim phone that still performs well. It's clear that thin is in, and big tech companies are racing to offer sleeker phones without giving up on power or battery life. Besides the new Air version, the iPhone 17 is also bringing changes to the camera design. Leaked images show that the Pro models might come with a different kind of camera island on the back, something larger and more defined than before. Some even say it looks a bit like what we've seen from Google's Pixel phones. If that's true, it could mean Apple is planning to upgrade the camera hardware in a noticeable way. Of course, how exciting all of this feels depends on what you care about in a phone. If you love testing out new looks or want your phone to stand out, the iPhone 17 might feel like a real upgrade. But if your current phone still works just fine and you don't care about small changes in shape or design, this update may not be a big deal for you. The official launch is still a few months away. Apple usually reveals new iPhones in September, and it's likely to do the same this year. So unless you're really eager to see a plastic mock-up in person, it might be worth waiting for the real thing. Still, it's pretty wild to see how far the excitement goes minus 3D prints, leaked blueprints, and people traveling just to get a sneak peek. Would you ever take a trip just to hold a phone before anyone else? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates.